Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to log out of your Amazon Chime account. In this tutorial, you will learn the simple process of signing out so that you can confidently manage your account security. We begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the official Amazon Chime webpage. Type in the address for Amazon Chime by entering aws.amazon.com/chime into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the home page that provides a range of options and information related to your account. Make sure you have reached the correct site before continuing to ensure that you are working within the secure and official environment of Amazon Chime. After you have successfully loaded the Amazon Chime homepage, the next step is to locate and click on the My Account option. As you scan the page, look for the account management section, which is clearly labeled for ease of identification. The My Account section is designed to provide you access to various settings, including your personal information and account preferences. By clicking on this option, you signal your intent to manage your account settings, and the web page will then present you with the relevant account features in a clear and organized manner. With the account settings now visible, direct your attention to your profile name, which should be displayed prominently on the screen. Your profile name acts as an entry point to more detailed account settings. Clicking on your profile name will open up additional options and settings that are specific to your account. This action helps you review your account details as well as any personal information associated with your Amazon Chime profile. At this stage, it is important to note that these settings not only allow you to remain updated with your account details, but also provide an option to sign out from your account when needed. Once you have clicked on your profile name and the extended account options are visible, your final task is to find and click on the sign out option. The sign out link is typically located within the drop down menu that appears after you select your profile name. Look carefully for the sign out button, as it is designed to be easily accessible. When you click sign out, the logout process will execute and you will be securely disconnected from your Amazon Chime account. It is advisable to allow the process to complete fully before closing your browser window or navigating to another page. This entire process is designed to be straightforward and quick, helping you maintain the security and integrity of your account. By following these clear sequential actions, navigating to the Amazon Chime page, accessing My Account, selecting your profile name, and finally clicking sign out, you can ensure that you leave your account safely and securely. Whether you are preparing to use another service or simply taking a break, logging out of your Amazon Chime account is an important step in managing your online privacy and security. Enjoy the clarity and ease of this process and feel confident in the secure management of your online accounts.